You've changed, but your habits haven't caught up. And every time you default to that old routine, that old excuse, that old version of you, you reinforce an identity you've already outgrown. This daily dose of mindset is your reminder. You're not stuck, you're on autopilot. But here's the truth. Every action you take is either casting a vote for the old you or reinforcing the future you're building. Let's talk about 3 ways to stop acting like the old you and start upgrading the script. 1. Stop saying, "This is just how I am." That story kept you safe. It helped you make sense of the past, but now it's just keeping you small. You're allowed to rewrite that narrative. Every time you make a new choice, you prove that version of you isn't permanent. 2. Audit your autopilot. Your default behaviors aren't bad, they're just outdated. That late night scroll, that skipped walk, that screw it meal, they're not failures, they're just familiar. But now that you know better, you get to practice doing better, on purpose. 3. Upgrade your internal script. That voice in your head still talks to you like you haven't changed, but you're not that person anymore. So stop rehearsing old lines like, "I always mess this up," or "I'll start over on Monday." You need a new script, one that matches who you're becoming, not who you were. Drop a recycle emoji if you're ready to stop recycling the script of your past, and tell me, what's one habit or thought you're upgrading right now? And remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.